What's up, you guys? We got a secret recipe for you today. A delicious Dano's Pickle Dip. Stick around, we'll show you how it's made. First, we need to grate our cheese. And that was cheddar, and this is Monterey Jack. There we go. Now cut you up a bundle of green onion. Get these tips out of here. We don't want those. Save those roots, throw them in some water, and you got some little baby chives. Now get you 2 little jalapeños, or you can get 2 big jalapeños, whatever you like. And then you want to try to dice these guys. That's pretty good. Now get you a container of these Grillo's pickles. These are some really good ones. You can use whatever you like though. And then get you one of these frying ladles or whatever you call them, I'm not really sure. Save all your juice, don't waste any of it. It's literally gold. Okay, now we're gonna cut these guys up. We're gonna set this aside. Now grab all your ingredients here. Get you a scoop or use your knife, whatever you want to do. Now get you all your cream. We use a whole container of this whipped cream here, the whipped cream cheese. And about a cup of sour cream, cup of Greek yogurt. You do a little bit more of each. Kind of do whatever feels right. I don't like to measure anything. That one here, and then get you the Greek plain yogurt. This is non-fat. You can use the regular 4% too if you want. There's maybe a cup in there. That's good. Whatever feels right, you guys. You don't have to make it perfect. And then you got to use your pickle juice. This is the good stuff right here, the Holy Grail. We only want to splash though, so put that in there. That's probably good. You could use a little bit more if you want. Just watch the texture. And give that a little rough mix. Then we're going to add our cheese up in there. Oh yeah, you guys, check that out. And then we can't forget our Dano's. We thought about adding the dill as well, but you know, we kind of like the ranch profile flavor, so check that out. If you haven't tried these are amazing, you guys. Way better than the regular ones you've been buying. If you guys had smell-o-vision right now, you'd be just in heaven right now. And then we got to use our Milwaukee a little bit. We got to get a little bit of our tools in here. And then for an excellent container, just use the Grillo's jar. If it doesn't fit in there, we can just eat right now. And you know we got to have the pickle chips with our pickle dip. Lost that one.